What if the universe you see is not the real universe? What if space has more directions than up, down, left, and right? And what if gravity feels weak because it is leaking into another dimension? For over 100 years, physicists have been trying to prove something terrifying. We might be living inside a higher dimensional reality, and we can't see most of it. Our limited reality. We experience only three dimensions: length, width, height, and time, the fourth dimension. But physics suggests this might not be the full picture. Imagine a 2D ant living on paper. It can move left, right, forward, backward, but it can never move up. To the ant, the third dimension doesn't exist. Now think about us. What if we are the ants, and there are directions we cannot move in, because we cannot even perceive them? The first big idea, 1919. In 1919, a physicist named Theodore Kaluza made a strange proposal. He tried to combine Einstein's gravity, electromagnetism, into one single theory, and he found something shocking. The math only worked if there was a fifth dimension, a hidden one, a dimension we cannot see. Later, Klein expanded this idea. He said, maybe this extra dimension is curled up, so small that we can never notice it, like a tiny loop at every point in space. This became known as Kaluza-Klein theory. What extra dimensions do? According to this idea, gravity and electromagnetism might be the same force, but they appear different because they move through different dimensions. Think about a hose pipe from far away. From a distance, it looks like a straight line, but if you zoom in, you see it's a cylinder, two dimensions hidden inside one. This is how extra dimensions could exist, hidden at tiny scales, too small for humans to detect. String theory explodes the idea. Later, physicists developed string theory, and this changed everything. It suggested the universe may have 10 dimensions, or 11 dimensions, not 4, not 5, but 10 or more. These extra dimensions could be curled up, invisible everywhere, at every point in space. Right now, there could be entire directions you cannot move into, because your body is trapped in 3D. The gravity mystery. There is a huge problem in physics. It's called the hierarchy problem. Gravity is incredibly weak compared to other forces. Strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force. Gravity is almost nothing. Why? One theory says gravity is leaking into extra dimensions, while other forces are stuck in our 3D world. If gravity spreads across multiple dimensions, it would appear weaker here because it's diluted. How scientists try to find them. Scientists are searching for hidden dimensions using particle colliders, like the Large Hadron Collider. They smash particles at insane speeds, looking for strange energy patterns, possible signs, missing energy, heavy unknown particles, gravity behaving strangely. But so far, no direct proof. Yet. The most terrifying possible. What if extra dimensions are not small? What if some are large, and we just can't access them? What if entire universes exist next to ours? Parallel realities overlap ours. We are trapped in a 3D slice of a much bigger structure. You could be standing next to another world right now and never know. So, if extra dimensions exist, then reality is not what we think. We are not seeing the full universe. We are seeing a tiny cross-section of something much larger. And the most disturbing part is this: we might never be able to leave our dimension because we were never built to.